Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Chronicled Wish is a limited event banner that uses intertwined fates for pulls. Read the banner details to confirm featured characters and weapons. 5-star pity triggers at 90 wishes and 4-star pity triggers at 10 wishes as standard mechanics. Each single wish costs 160 primogems and 10 wishes cost 1,600 primogems. Plan your currency accordingly. Rate-up characters have increased pull probability over their standard chances during the event period. Keep your account wishlist and screenshots to track featured items and soft pity expectations. Stock at least 1,600 primogems for a 10-wish session when possible to guarantee a 4-star minimum. Check your current pity count to decide between single pulls or a full 10-pull session. Use intertwined fates specifically for this event banner because it increases odds for featured characters. Save extra fates and primogems until the banner aligns with your target character or weapon. Consider claiming daily battle pass or event rewards to top up currency before pulling. Plan pulls around soft pity to maximize efficiency during the banner window. Track pity and aim to make pulls near soft pity to improve 5-star chances and reduce wasted currency. Set a realistic primogem budget, like 6,400 for 40 wishes, and stick to it to manage spending and expectations. Remember 5-star rate-ups are commonly 50% for featured characters, so prepare for consolation outcomes. Use single pulls to chase soft pity or 10 pulls for guaranteed 4-star safety and convenience. Avoid impulse purchases and monitor rerun schedules to prioritize long-term collection goals.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.